So today in this video here, I would like to share how we can make a simple and very useful continuity tester. So normally if we want to check continuity, uh, we use in a buzzer mode. So that means once we hear the sound, there is connection. So the same goes to digital multimeter. We select to the buzzer mode and we check continuity. So the thing, this is a very big, and to carry on the side in the workplace, we can make ourselves. This is a very simple things, and we're gonna use for the 9-volt battery holder, a 9-volt, and a DC buzzer. So the buzzer should be 9-volt buzzer. You can use 12-volt as well, as long as there's a sound. So red is positive and black is negative. So at first we're gonna connect red wire, which is buzzer positive wire, and 9-volt battery positive wire. When then we apply the heat shrink so that we connect them properly. So this is very simple. We're gonna fold the red wire, which is positive wire, and we have to put it properly here. We're gonna use just the tape, as long as this will stick. I'm gonna use for the PVC black tape. Alright, so here we go. So let us test. So there is the buzzer sound. So the inside there is connection, which means we can hear the sound. Alright, so in this time we don't have to use the multimeter. That's quite big, and we can put inside the pocket and here, so we can check a very simple way. We can check connectivity. Using these things, we can check the diode as well, and not only this connectivity, and you still can check a lot of things. Alright, so this is very simple and very useful. You don't have to carry all the time your multimeter, not necessary. Just for the simple testing, you can use this 9-volt battery and buzzer. So I hope you like this video, and this video will help for someone. And this is very simple and very easy. And thank you for watching my video.